Hey everybody, so I just wanted to make this kind of like a progress update, kind of just definitely for you guys, but also for me, so I can kind of track myself and hold myself accountable. And just want to talk about some of the things that went down this week that definitely I made some progress for sure. So I had a day off Friday, and I worked on a video, got it done, edited same day. I think it became one of my best videos. I'll link it here. You can check it out if you want. I like it because I definitely got more in depth with the editing. So the shot's pretty much the same, but I added some video clips, some sound effects. So that was good, and that definitely showed progression to myself. Then I released a video the next day, which again I was added some music, sound effects, and I think it came out well. I'm definitely feeling more comfortable in front of the camera, and so back-to-back days, I recorded a video, edited it, and released it. So that feels really good to me. And now today, the third day in a row, I'm doing it again. That's like really huge for me. I haven't been doing much, that's for sure. So this is really great. Also, what I did this week, I released some micro content on Instagram, which you can follow me at Jerry S. Kuchera. And those videos I definitely liked, and it seemed that I was getting likes from different kinds of people. So that definitely helped a little bit, and I'm just constantly gaining a few followers here and there. That was great. Also, I'm happy now too because I set the foundation and gave myself the ability for another revenue stream. So that's key, and that's going to be slowly build up, but that's going to be nice too. What else, man? It was Easter today. I did a lot of reading too. I've been reading this book right here, because you can't see it, but 10 Commandments from Business Failure. Pretty good book. Yeah, so I'm just happy with the progress. And this video right here, I was kind of telling myself, oh, I don't feel like making another video. But I just forced myself to do it, and now it's going to be worth it. What's my goals for the week? Let's keep the content running. I'm going to just focus on one day at a time. Focus on what do I have to take care of now. I can't get too worried about having to create 1,000 videos. I'm just going to worry about creating one video. So that's going to wrap this up. I'm going to start doing this more frequently, probably weekly. So thanks a lot, and let's get it. See ya.